Okay guys, I want to show you how you will off your comment section after your LS. You go to YouTube Studio. You click YouTube Studio. Are you seeing it now? Then you will come here. Look at it. You touch it. You will bring it out. It will bring all these things out. You go to where they write video. You touch it. It will bring out all your video. So the one you know you want to off the comment section, you go and touch it. Like me now, I want to off this one. You touch it. When you touch it, look at the up here. Do you see this biro? You touch it. You see it? The up here. The right setting. You touch here. So you come to the down. Look at it. The down. You on this one. Then you off this one. You off it. It will remain 2. These 2 will remain. So you come here. You see here now. The right save. Then you save. You touch it. It's save. Meaning the comment section is off. That is how you will off your comment section after your LS. Thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you. See you in my next video again.